Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here. How are you? In this video we'd like to share how to disconnect the cable behind the top LCD that display the clock and radio information and time before in Holden VE Commodore Series 1, and this one is Holden VE Omega 2008 model. So the reason, because we are doing the system, the new upgrade 7-inch premium system here in the car, including the new camera as well, and we need to disconnect the little screen here because it is not connected to the new screen in any way. So to remove and disconnect the connector behind this little screen, we actually need to remove the top dashboard section, which is fairly easy but need to be careful. Why? Because the plastic on the top is quite fragile and you don't want to break the parts. So we need a few tools like plastic trim removal tool like this, and we need a screwdriver, which is the short one, the little and short one, something looking like this, short. And also we need a longer one, which can be like this one. And what we do is we firstly remove 2 screws, assuming that you already get to this stage, which you already removed the bottom part. So you can see the screw around this section over here. So what you need to do is you remove 1 screw here on the side and second screw on the side here, so which is holding this panel, okay, this top panel, and using the plastic trim remover to slide at the edge of the top middle top cover at the edge, at the back edge here, and pop it up. So the top, the further part will pop up the clip, and then do the same on the other side. The clip will pop up, and then you slide this one around the jaw side and push it up, and this one will pops up as well, and do it on the other side, and then you slide it like this, and this one come out. So basically it is sliding, and then it comes down with 4 clip, okay. So after that you will need to unscrew 1 and 2 screw over here, and then at the end put your hands under this, okay, like this, and you put another hand on top here and pull it toward the body, and this whole section will, come out, because it actually is holding in by another 2 clip behind here, okay. So you just pull it out straight to your body and it will come out straight. I mean, 1 hand, 2 hands, pull straight, it comes out, and then you disconnect the cable behind. So let me demonstrate once.